All right, it is time to do a CSS battle. Oof. Okay. I'm not loving this. Uh, Background, tan. Then I have three of these things. So how do I do these things? Um, I don't know. I'm gonna be stupid and try something. So there's a plus. And now I'm going to select my body. I'm going to select my body with a star selector, and I'm going to say font. I don't know, 200 pixels A. So at least with the default font, that trick's not going to work because it's not thick enough, or it gets bigger and taller faster than it gets thick. So let's get rid of that. I have to let it get out. Go. Go. Sorry about that. All right. So we're using some other elements to draw things, which is fine. Um, so we have a set of bars. They're just all, they're all bars. But how do we want to do them? I mean, if you can get them drawn with geometry that's not gradients, but geometry, you can just box shadow 3 times, or box shadow 2 times. You have the primary and then 2 box shadows. But is that a good way to draw them? I don't know. Um, I'm going to ignore the body for a minute and just start on an element, a paragraph tag. So that means I need a paragraph tag. All right. We're going to say padding 10, 80, background, dark color, margin, margin, 50, we'll fix that in a minute, 50, 60, and 80. 108 is close. Let's put margin 0 here. 110, 0, and 40, 30. Okay, I think that it's a little too tall. Yeah, it's too tall. The padding needs to be more like 8. There's that. Okay, and we can say another paragraph tag, the substitute selector, paragraph. There we go. All right, this one's going to be padding 8. 8, just 8. Oh, right. Okay. Margin. Minus 62. Nope. 0. Minus 16. 16. There we go. 30. 0. 180. More. 220, more, 50, 80, 300. Now we're getting closer, 340, 20. There we go, 320. That was easy. Okay, and now we have subsequent paragraph selector, which means we need subsequent paragraph. And we rotate 90 degrees. There's that. And now up here, can we just box shadow 0 pixels, 80 pixels? Oh, the rotated one. So what's happening is it's working for this one. It's working for this horizontal one, but because I rotated that one, it's going a different direction. So what would have to happen there for it to work is I have to do padding. I don't know what that is. It's not that much. 28 margin 0 minus 16. Nope, it's going to be more than that. It's going to be 24. More 32. 30. 30. 33 seems weird, but padding's wrong. 28, 26, 24, 25. Okay. Now, this one needs to be 30. This can be 0. This one needs to be something 3, 30. Oh, that one needs to, this other one needs to be in further. 40. 8. Nope. 50. Nope. 49. 48. 47. 337. There we go. Now, box shadow 080 and 160. Color, this one, that should be a match. That's 8 minutes. I still have a little time. Okay. I don't like this solution just in general. It's certainly not going to win any prizes, but it's where I'm at today. So can I move things up? Probably. Can I move that up, that up, that up, that up? Now that's awful, right? But I have margin twice also. That makes it really confusing. Let's comment these out for a moment. All right, let's make this, I don't know, 200. That didn't do what I thought. Probably because things are overflowing. Let's get rid of the, that's not what I wanted to do, but I did it. So let's get rid of these. There's that. Okay, 220. 22. There's that. Color and box shadow we can put back. All right, now let's add just one of our paragraphs. And let's make it background red. There it is. Now we have to force it outside of the body, which is going to want to cause the body to stretch. But let's see what happens. Margin. Top is going to be 0. This is going to be minus 80. Okay. 0. And this is going to be, I don't know. Let's call it 200 for now. Okay. That's kind of working. Make this 280. That's kind of working. 40. 0. 20. Why isn't that moving at all? Because of my padding. Padding 25. Although I don't need horizontal padding because horizontal margins don't matter. All right, so let's make this minus 20, 40. There we go. Oh, that's 80 and 300, 290. There we go. There's that thing. Now, I need another paragraph. So let's add that. Now, my fears are that this paragraph is going to, let's get rid of that one, I think. Where is this? Outline, 1 pixel solid. There it is. All right, margin minus 16 puts it there. What happens if it's minus 26? That's okay. 36, 32. That might be right. This one needs to be 40. Nope, this one needs to be less. 300, 310, 308. 42. What's weird about it? Is it the outline? Maybe. Needs to move up one more. It looks like 33. Then 309. 7. There we go. Now it's not tall enough. So padding needs to be 25 and 0, which made it collapse. So 25 and 8. There it is. But we've lost this thing because that is too big. Can we margin this in more? 70. No, it pushes the whole thing. Well, minus 10. Okay. This needs to be up 60. Is that the right height? Yes. Now this needs to come up. Can I do that with like minus 10 there? Can I do it with minus 10 there? Can I do it with more here? You push it down. 20, 10 doesn't move it up any. What happens if I get rid of that? Moves everything up. So can I push that back down? 70. And then pull this back up. 30, I don't think that's the one. 30, moves it down. What if it's 10? 20. Nope. Almost out of time. 5 minutes left. I need to leave soon. Okay. So how do I pull the bottom up? Can this be positive? That's worse. That's working. pushing the whole thing down now. Okay, so here's what let's do. Let's make this 0. Let's make this minus 10. 100 minus 10. Let's get this in the right place. 6. Okay. What happens with this is 0? Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. That one's not working. Let's try minus here. Nope, makes it worse. 30. I had it at one point. Let's pull it up again. I just want the bottom to come up a little bit. What happens with this? Okay, that's the horizontal one. Horizontal one should be fine. It, yeah, it should not be the problem. The vertical one is the problem. So what if we change this to 20? That pushes everything down. So 30, 40. So if we get rid of this, nope. 50. Right, 50 because that's the padding is 25. Let's put this in the right place. 80, 60. Okay, and then let's translate 0, 25. 25 pixels. Wrong one. 2, 18, 17. There is the thing. Let's put these back. I don't know what my previous score was, but that definitely wasn't worth it. 2 minutes left. I'm not going to bother unit replacing. This is not going to win any prizes today. I'll just minify and submit. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.